After pulling an all-nighter, you might think, hey, I made it through, I'm fine. But what really happens inside your brain tells a different story. Let's quickly go over 5 important things that staying up all night actually does to you, and why you should think twice before doing it again. 1. Your body fights your natural rhythm. Your body has its own built-in clock called the circadian rhythm. It tells you when to be awake and when to rest. When you stay up all night, you're fighting against that rhythm, kind of like trying to swim upstream. Your brain gets confused because it expects darkness to mean sleep, not study time. That's why you start feeling heavy-eyed and unfocused, no matter how hard you try to push through. 2. Your brain gets tired and slow. As you stay awake, a chemical called adenosine built up in your brain. It's your body's way of saying, please, let me rest. When adenosine piles up too much, your focus drops, your reaction time slows, and even simple tasks start feeling harder. You might drink coffee to fight it, but caffeine only hides the problem. It doesn't fix it. 3. Your memory takes a hit. You can read all night, but without sleep, your brain doesn't have time to store that information. Usually, when you sleep, your brain moves what you learned from short-term memory, the hippocampus, to long-term storage, the neocortex. Without that process, most of what you studied just fades away. It's like trying to save a file on your computer without hitting save. 4. Your emotions go out of balance. Ever noticed how everything feels more stressful when you're tired? That's because lack of sleep makes your amygdala, the part of your brain that controls emotions, go into overdrive. At the same time, your prefrontal cortex, which helps you stay calm and make smart choices, slows down. That mix can make you moody, anxious, or even a little overconfident. Not great for exams or decision-making. 5. One all-nighter won't ruin you, but make it a habit and trouble begins. If you only stay up once, your body can recover with a good night's rest. But doing it often can cause long-term problems like lower focus, bad grades, stress, or even health issues like heart disease and depression. Studies show students who sleep at regular hours actually get higher grades than those who don't. So good sleep isn't wasted time. It's your brain's way of getting stronger. So the next time you think about pulling an all-nighter, remember, your brain isn't a machine that just runs forever. It's a living system that needs rest to do its best. Rome wasn't built in a day, and your knowledge won't be built in one sleepless night. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow night owls. Now, seriously, go get some sleep.